There's nothing more classic to summer cooking than firing up the grill. When you do it right, it results in delectable dinners that can be on your table in minutes. You can surprise your friends and family with show-stopping dishes for holidays and special occasions while resting your oven and keeping your house cool. Moreover, once you master these skills needed to grill, it's simple for you to serve up everything from steak, hot dogs, grilled chicken, to hearty desserts like grilled fruit skewers and s'mores. But you need to follow some practical tips to make it happen in your grill as you're a beginner. So without waiting anymore, let's take a look at the video and check out the best grilling tips for beginners to initiate your grilling adventure this summer. Number 1. To begin with, you need to decide on the kind of grill that's suitable for you. As the quality of your food is heavily reliant on it, the type of grill you choose determines the texture and flavor profile of your grilled goodness. You can choose from gas grills for your ease of use, or pellet grills and smokers for a burst of wood smoke flavor, or charcoal grills for drool-worthy charcoal flavors in its authentic sense. Number 2. Secondly, you need to get some beginner-efficient grilling tools to simplify your grilling practice. As no grill setup is complete without a reliable set of grill tools, you have to get grilling tongs to help you to flip, basting brushes to brush on seasoning-infused butter and sauce, and a meat thermometer to check the doneness of your meat and fish on the grill. Number 3. Next, you always need to properly preheat your grill before putting on the food. By doing so, your food can be grilled on a warm surface without the fear of getting it overly charred to your distaste. Number 4. Moving on to the next tip, you should try to arrange the food like a professional. Align the food on the grill in neat rows of perfect precision. This will help you to cook the food more evenly and uniformly. It will also let you keep track of what goes on the grill first, so you can turn it and take it off with your tongs in time. Number 5. Finally, let's admit you mostly care about the mouth-watering pungent flavor of the food you grill. That's the reason why you put in so much effort, right? To ensure that in the best way, you need to get some fine quality barbecue sauces and marinade rubs to apply on your food when you grill to deliver the tastiest steak ever. Bonus tip? As a bonus tip, we'd like to share how you can get smoky flavor without owning a smoker. All you have to do is simply add hardwood chunks or wood smoking chips to your charcoal when you arrange the food on the grill grate. And there you have it, your desired smoky flavor at its best. Overall, you can say that you will succeed in your grilling sessions if you keep these basic tips in mind and impress your loved ones with delicious grilled food. That being said, we're now at the end of the video. Hope you loved it and subscribe if you did. In the comment section, let us know if you find any of the tips helpful. Stay tuned if you want more videos like this.